Hello everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry and hope you are well. And by the way, please hit that subscribe button. So just a little background about myself. I've been a commission-based personal trainer for many years, and I've also had the privilege to do mentoring to new fitness professionals with different background, different experiences. So if you are considering entering this industry, I just want to be of help and of service by sharing with you my experience as a commission-based personal trainer and what to expect when you are hired. So as a commission-based personal trainer, there will be a sales requirement. Without selling, you will not be able to provide your services. And I would like you to consider using my experience to help you plan your adventure into the fitness industry. This is a very short video, just letting you know that I will be providing other videos with A-list pro tips to help you get started. That is all.